Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So as you can tell, I'm in my bathroom today and I'm going to be doing a deep clean but also a bit of a, not a redecorate, but more like a refurnish. So I bought all new like bath mats, bars, things to put my toothbrush in, a bin, toilet holder, towels, all that kind of thing. So I'm just going to make it look a bit new, like not fancy, but just a bit nicer than what it currently looks like. So I'm going to give the bathroom a really good clean first of all. I'm going to do a bit of a time lapse of me doing a clean, and then I'll show you the things I bought to decorate the bathroom, and then we will decorate the bathroom together and just make it look a bit more lovely and sort of fresh and clean and new again. So if you do enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you as a viewer. I'll link all my other cleaning videos down below in a playlist if you want to go and check those out for some really cool cleaning motivation. But without further ado, let's get on cleaning this bathroom.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, na na na. For love or pity, let me know. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Na, we ain't got the time. I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can't take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you. I know you can't He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the bottom ship. So come to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another cause that we can fly with the baseline. I know, I know, I know, I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you. I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you. You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on those strings.
Okay, so that is now one empty, clean bathroom. I've got some really stained grouting over here, so I'm gonna go to Homebase after this and actually buy one of those grout pens that you can just put in the grout and just make it look a bit nicer. But I have bleached it while I've scrubbed it all. My hands are red and hurting from scrubbing that much with the Scrub Daddy and the toothbrush. But bathroom is now empty. So let's go and see the items that I bought to put in the bathroom, and then let's redecorate. Okay, ignore the stairgate behind me. It is broken and I need to take it to the tip. But all the bathroom cleaning items, or the bathroom sort of new items, are down here. So I thought I would just share them with you before I decorate. Now, everything is from the range, and I think in total it came to about £40. Maybe even a bit less than that, maybe like 38. I don't know the exact prices of everything, but I think for £38 or £40, I got quite a lot of stuff. So I picked up a new hand towel, just a nice black hand towel, and to go obviously on the handrail. Picked up a new bath mat. I love this. It's just a white and black, like Aztec-y kind of style bath mat. So as you can probably tell, I'm going for like a black and white / gold kind of theme. Picked up a new toothbrush holder in just like a black matte colour. a new soap dispenser. I'm in love with this. This is beautiful. So it's like a nice glass jar with a nice gold top, and then I picked up a new Bayliss and Harding soap that I'm going to try and attempt to pour into here without spilling any of it, but I think that just looked beautiful. I tried to look for some like shampoo and conditioner ones of these as well, but couldn't find any. We're actually going up to Blue Water later, so I'm going to have a look in there and see if I can find any. Needed a new bath mat for George, so picked up a new one of these. It's just like a bubble clear coloured one. Clear coloured, that's really contradicting. Just a clear bubble bath mat. A new toilet brush holder. Again, it's just like a nice black matte colour, just like the toothbrush holder with the gold lid, and then also kind of matches the top of that as well. And then I picked up the same bin. So again, this is just the matte black bin with a gold lid, so it will match the two of those, plus also the soap dispenser. Picked up a new basket. It's just a white one, just to go for George's toys. I needed something to put his bath toys in that would be airy. I put them in a plastic box with a lid last time. The lid broke, and then also everything just got a bit gross in there as well because I used to put it in wet. So hopefully if I put them in here afterwards and dry them off a little bit, then they will air dry. I also picked up, this is actually a candle that I was given by my cousin for my birthday that I'm going to put in there. It's like a nice white and black colour, so I feel like the theming is quite nice with the bathroom. And then I picked up a vase for my plant to go in. I've had that plant now for just over a year. Sorry, I thought there was a spider on my wall. I nearly had a heart attack. We've had that plant now for like over a year, and it's just sat in the normal pot. So I picked up a black plant pot. I'm not sure how I'm going to put it in there, or whether I need more soil, or whether I'm just going to stand it in there. But we will have a look and see how it looks. But that is everything then that I picked up from the range to sort of redecorate the bathroom, if you like, or refurnish the bathroom. So let's go and put it all in the bathroom and see how it all looks. So guys, that is the end of today's video. I'm really happy with how the bathroom has turned out. It's crazy how just a few small touches can just make such a big change to a room. And I am obsessed with this. So I'm going to Blue Water today, so I'm actually going to see if I can find something like that or something similar like that to put my like shampoo, conditioner and body wash in, and then I can put them in the shower, because at the moment I don't really want just random bottles around, so I haven't got them in here, they're in the bedroom. And so if I can find a bottle for them to go in, I think they'll look really pretty there in the shower. But that is the end of today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as a viewer as always. It's completely free to do so. It doesn't cost you a penny, but it really does help me out. And I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So if you'd love to subscribe to me, I would really appreciate it. But thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.